We are General Atomics AeroTec Systems. We are the manufacturer of the DO228. We are based in Germany, near Munich, west of Munich. And as mentioned, we are the manufacturer of the DO228. Nevertheless, we do all the stuff around it, means maintenance, training, customer, material support, and also the engine overhaul. For us, it's great to be here. It's the first time at the Dubai Air Show and also the first time presenting us in the Middle East. So for us, it's a new market, and we are very happy to be here. And it's really excited how big the interest is in our airplane, in our company, and we have really great days until now. The basic concept of this airplane is now proven for more than 40 years. It's flying all over the world, in the desert areas, in Arctic conditions. So it's really proven, and that's why General Atomics decided to start a new production of the DO228 NXT. It's used in the civil and also in the military operation, from passenger, cargo or medevac transport to paratrooper or special mission, because the airplane is very good to install different sensors like radars, turrets or different antennas on it. So the airplane has an outstanding performance, and in addition to this, it's certified for stall operation, means short takeoff and landing. It's possible to land, of course, on a paved runway, but also on grass or gravel, wherever you want. For General Atomics, it's a great opportunity to be here at the Dubai Air Show. We have great days, a lot of visitors stopping here, seeing the airplane, and for us, we have really very good days.